Hi everyone, this is Kathy Groskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and this is my 5th video in my series on the books review area in QuickBooks Online Accountant. And as you can see, I am in my Kathy's Bookkeeping Test file, and we are in the second tab, which is the Account Reconciliation tab. Today we're going to be focusing on this area called Current Status. This is where we're making sure everything is up to date with our bank and credit card reconciliations. Now, before we dive in, I would like to ask if you would subscribe to my channel, share it with others, like any of the videos, make comments where you will. That will help with the algorithms as I'm trying to still grow my channel. I publish one new video per week on desktop and online platforms, mostly geared towards the accountant user, but anybody else that finds these videos useful, I would love to have you as part of my channel as well. Well, with that said, let's go ahead and talk about this current status area. As you can see, you can roll these up when you want to see other parts of this area right here. And so I'm going to unroll these again. So again, like I was saying, this current status area wants us to make sure everything is up to date, primarily with our bank and credit card reconciliations and any other balance sheet accounts that we may reconcile. As you can see, all these accounts are listed here, and you can see when the last reconciliation was done on any of these accounts. A few of these go back to the end of 2020. We have one that was reconciled at the beginning of 2021. And then you can see that there's several of these that are never reconciled. So one thing I will say about this, before you do anything with these accounts, some of these accounts, you may not reconcile these on a regular basis. So there's a way to select those accounts and remove them. But the other thing you want to remember too is that if you go in here and you see this USAA checking account that shows no transactions and that it's never been reconciled, maybe this account was never used in here. Now you can actually go back to the balance sheet and remove this account from the balance sheet eventually. So, but for right now, you don't need to have it on here to reconcile it. Same thing with maybe some of these other accounts here, like opening balance equity. We're probably not going to mess with it, but we can remove them from this list. Now, just let me let you know that when you remove these items from this list, it does not remove them from the chart of accounts, and that's important to know. You're just removing them from this task list, so that way you don't have to worry about doing anything with them in this area right here. So if you want to actually remove these from the chart of accounts, you have to go to the chart of accounts and do that process of inactivating them there. So again, you just want to make sure that you understand when you're removing them from here, you're not removing them from the chart of accounts. So let's go ahead and click on this select accounts button. That's going to open up a window here where you can see all those accounts are checked. Now all the ones that we do not want to reconcile, we're just going to go ahead and click on these little boxes here to get these out of here. And I'm just kind of doing these random. I'm not really doing these in any kind of order with any kind of anything that we need to do. But I will take out this USA checking 6432. I'm going to leave in these other accounts, the outside clearing and the outside credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and in this prior year's adjustments, let's say we want to keep that in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And as you can see, when you're all said and done, you can see where it narrowed down the other balance sheet accounts to just this one prior year adjustments account, and all these other accounts are still here except for that other account that we inactivated in here that had no transactions. So anyway, basically that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all take care, and we will see you soon, and have a great week.